everybody, it's Terry D Lab, and I have a special guest star in the lab today. So, I'm going to have to ask 3 questions to figure out who this might be. So, are you a solid, liquid, or gas?
Well, Terry, I think I might be a solid liquid and a gas. You know what I mean? I got the solid because of my skin. I got the blood with my liquid, and then the gas because I eat fast food.
Yeah, exactly. All right. So, question number 2. Well, that was a 3, but we'll go with the 2. Have you been on D Lab videos in the past?
Well, actually, I was a member of D-Lab once.
Really? Did you happen to bail ship on me about a year ago?
Well, I mean, maybe. Maybe. Yeah,
Might be or might be?
I think so.
Okay, it appears as though you have a slight accent. So I believe I know who this is. The southern accent is a bit confusing, but I'm pretty sure. Do you know who it is?
I'm back. Hooray!
Emmy's back! Yeah! She looks a little different than what she used to, but Emmy's back for a week for some new D-Lab video adventures.
I think I did really good with my southern accent.
You did?
I did.
Yeah.
That was a really good fake southern
Well,
accent.
she lives in Tennessee now, so you'd expect that she would have an accent.
Yeah, but I don't. I sound the same.
But the good thing is she's back, and we've got some big plans for Emmy on D-Lab Electronics. Stay tuned. You can say bye.
Oh, bye!
Hey everybody, Terry D Lab, and I have a special guest star in the lab today. If she'll walk over here, that was her cue. All right, hold on, blooper.
You said you were supposed to say who is it?
No,
This was my
the things that I put up with. This is Terry at D Lab Electronics. I have a special guest star in the lab today. That means you walk in. Blooper number 2.